My name's Renee Mackin. This is my submission to the Gems in the Rough 2021 contest. The Blueest Bird. The bluest bird I ever did see, tallest grasses tickling my knees, highest mountain I ever tried to climb, can't match the feeling from your heart to mine. I'll be on an old wood swing down by the lake, fishing poles waiting for you to bait, swallows nested under the eaves, aspen and pine trees shimmer in the breeze, rusted old farm tools back by the shed. I can't remember what it was you'd said, 'cause the only sound now that I could hear is the bluest bird, and maybe you, dear. Take a left down Bigelow Road, past the windmills whenever you go, beyond the mare's tails hanging in the sky. You find me waiting 'cause you never said goodbye. Cross the bridge over Black's Fork River, come back to me, maybe forever, to moose in velvet, roaming free, to the bluest bird I ever did see.